There you go. Uh oh, he gonna get you. Oh, I had him by now, Craig. You want me to get him?
It ain't a chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a problem with his wings.
That's what I was trying to tell you. That wing's messed up.
Okay, we cornered him. That's probably the worst thing we can do.
Craig.
Grab with both hands. You want me to get him? There you go.
Yeah, that's a beautiful bird.
There you go.
Look at these wings.
Messing up my shot. Come back up, turn around. There we go. Only at Crier.
You know what? That's a falcon.
That's what I'm saying. It looked like a falcon or a hawk. Don't move. KZ, you was in my picture too.
I know.
I'll send this one to you on Facebook, boy.
Okay.
Look at his eyes. They're not even round.